Guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Zed Code Editor in Windows operating system. So here in Google search box, write there Zed ID, then go on this Zed.dav site. Click this, then you can get there. Love your editor again. So this here you can use Mac, Windows, and Linux. Let's click on this download button. So this available for Mac, Windows, Linux. You need to use this command. So here I'm using for Windows. Let's click on this download button. And this here, the file is now Zed.exe file is there. This is now currently downloading. See this here exe file that's downloaded. Let's click on this Zed. And here this you need to click on this I accept, click on next, creating the desktop icon. This is for path. Let's click on next, and this here installing this Zed inside the Windows operating system. So installing, please wait while setup install Zed on your computer. Now you can see this Zed installed successfully. If you want, then you can launch from here. Let's click on finish. Here Zed is there. Let's click on this Zed. Here going to select the dark theme. So here light, dark. So you can select anyone according to your requirement. So this selected there. Here you can select VS Code, Atom. Here you can, as an setup, you can install there or Cloudy, Codex, GitHub, and Cursor. So this I will discuss later. And thereafter here, let's click on this plus. So here you can open file, search project. Let's click on this, and here let's use there print, and double quote that going to use there. Let's write there hello world, and control S to save. So this I'm going to save on the desktop. Firefox. Here let's give there hello.py. So simply I want to run there trust single file, trust and continue. So this I want to run here simple Python program there. So here right click, then you can open this on terminal. So writing there Python PowerShell 7.8 already in my system, so that this coming there. Now let's write this Python, then give here hello.py. So this you can get the output according to given. So hello world, that's the displaying there. So this is the most simplest way we can install Zed code editor inside Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.